Xiaomi ने अपनी Redmi Note 12 सीरीज को इंडिया में लॉन्च कर दिया है। इसमें 3 फ़ोन्स हैं, द Redmi Note 12, द Redmi Note 12 Pro and the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. The Redmi Note 12 has an AMOLED display that has a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor. It's got a 48 megapixel triple camera setup and a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging. The Redmi Note 12 Pro has got 120Hz Pro AMOLED display with Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision support, 50 megapixel main camera with OIS, MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt fast charging. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, a 200 megapixel main camera, 120Hz AMOLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor, and 120 watt fast charging for its 4980 mAh battery. The Redmi Note 12 starts at 17,999 in India, while the Redmi Note 12 Pro starts at 24,999 in India. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is starting rupees 29,999 in India. So let us know how you find these prices and whether or not you will be buying a Redmi Note phone this year. Thanks for watching.